Hi everyone, discussing another important recent update question, and this can be a potential question in your upcoming NEET examination. And this recent update is about a drug which is recently given approval by a Indian drug regulator, and you have heard about this drug long back when Mr. Donald Trump was given this drug and he recovered from COVID-19. So what is this drug and what are its action and what is its mechanism of action, we will going to discuss. So the drug is antibody cocktail because it is a mixture of two monoclonal antibodies. So these are casirivimab and imdevimab. So this drug was recently given emergency use authorization by Indian government, and initially this drug was developed by Regeneron Pharma. So you know that this Regeneron Pharma is a US giant or US biotechnological company which manufactured this monoclonal antibody cocktail, and this was approved there also and given emergency use authorization by US FDA. But it came recently to the India, and we have to be very vigilant about these recent updates about COVID-19, because in upcoming exam very hot topic will be, or I should say very important topic, is COVID-19. Our entire country is dealing with the situation and we are currently in the era of pandemic. So in the medical field this is the most important topic, and in your upcoming NEET examination also this will be a most important topic. So try to cover as much as possible about the COVID-19, and I will be also uploading all the important questions which can be framed from COVID-19. So again, coming back to our discussion, that this drug was initially developed by Regeneron Pharma. It is sold under the brand name of Regen COV or Regen COV. So it is, this brand name is again a reminder that this drug was initially developed by Regeneron Pharma. Try to remember the brand name only. If you forget that it is developed by Regeneron Pharma, it's okay, nobody will ask you, but don't forget the brand name, because this can be a direct question. What are the ingredients of Regen COV, that they can ask you in your exam. So in India, I want to tell you extra information that in India it is sold by Roche Pharmaceuticals, and Roche Pharmaceuticals has a partnership with Cipla in India. So they are selling this drug in India via Cipla. So try to remember this. If you tend to forget, it's okay. Now moving on, it is used in the treatment of mild to moderate COVID-19 cases. Try to remember this. These mild to moderate cases are those which are, first of all, have a tendency that they can either progress to severe COVID-19, and these mild to moderate cases, try to remember that they are not oxygen dependent, they don't require oxygen. If they are on oxygen, this drug is not given. Try to remember this. And also this drug can be used in pediatric patient of age 12 years and weight more than 40 kgs. So what is the type of the drug which is given? I have told you it is a monoclonal antibody, but which type of antibodies are present here? So human immunoglobulin G1 or IgG1 is present in this drug, and it is directed toward the spike protein. You know that this spike protein is used by coronavirus as a important protein which combine with the receptors which are present in the body, our body, like angiotensin 2 receptors or ACE2 receptors. So it combines with the ACE2 receptors and get the entry in our human cells. So this drug actually targets this spike protein and it blocks the entry of the virus in the human cell. If this virus is not able to get into the entry in the human cells, it will never able to infect the human cells. So try to remember its mechanism and try to remember its type, and also its dose is 1200 mg, 600 mg of each drug, and route, by the route it is given by IV infusion, or it can also be given by a subcutaneous route. So try to remember about this antibody cocktail. It can be a potential question in your coming examination. Thank you, and thank you for watching.